Honeygain runs in the background on your device and shares unused internet bandwidth, and in return, it credits your account with earnings that can be withdrawn once you reach the payout threshold. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how Honeygain generates money, how the payout system works, and whether it's actually worth running in 2026, or just something that drains battery for very little return. Honeygain is a passive income app built around a simple idea. You install it on your phone or computer, and it uses your unused internet connection to route data for research and network tasks. That activity gets converted into credits inside the app, which can later be cashed out once you hit the minimum payout level. After installation, there's nothing active you need to do. The app runs in the background while your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. That's why people classify it as passive compared to survey apps or task-based platforms where you constantly need to respond or click. To get started, you sign up, install the app, and log in on your device. Once it connects to their network, it starts sharing bandwidth automatically. Some users also install it on multiple devices to increase potential earnings, but performance still depends heavily on network demand in your area. Earnings are not fixed and vary based on how much traffic Honeygain can route through your connection. That means income is inconsistent and depends on external demand, not your activity level. If demand is low in your region, the app will generate fewer credits, even if it's running 24/7. One important thing to understand is that this is not a high-income app. It is designed for background data sharing, not real side income. That means it works more like a slow accumulation system, rather than something you check daily for meaningful payouts. Another factor is device impact. While it is lightweight, it still uses your internet connection in the background, which can matter if you have limited data or slower speeds. That's something to consider before running it constantly. The simplest way to think about Honeygain is that you are selling unused internet bandwidth in exchange for small, passive credits over time. To summarize, Honeygain is legit. It runs passively in the background, and earnings depend entirely on network demand rather than your effort. If you try it, treat it as a set it and forget it app, and not a reliable income source. Like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of passive income apps and whether they actually pay in real life.